Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Anduril Industries unveils Thunder autonomous attack rotorcraft to expand Apache firepower in near-surface drone-saturated combat. Anduril Industries has unveiled Thunder, a Group 5 autonomous attack rotorcraft built for the near-surface fight. The aircraft is designed to boost the combat power and survivability of current and next-generation attack and assault aircraft. The company presented Thunder at the Farnborough International Airshow on July 20th. The system is aimed at battlefields where drones, loitering munitions, low-cost air defenses and persistent surveillance place helicopters at growing risk. Anduril says Thunder is built to operate with crewed aircraft rather than replace them. Its role is to push weapons, sensors and risk farther forward while keeping pilots farther from the most dangerous threats. Thunder uses a tilt-rotor design that combines vertical takeoff and landing with wing-borne cruise. That architecture allows runway-independent operations from austere locations and extends reach beyond traditional rotorcraft limits. The aircraft is the defense variant of a dual-use platform co-developed with Archer Aviation. Anduril says the design brings commercial VTOL vertical takeoff and landing advances in electric propulsion and rotor technology into military aviation. A series hybrid electric powertrain is intended to give Thunder greater range and endurance. Its optimum speed tilt rotors vary rotor speed to reduce power demand, fuel burn and acoustic signature during low-altitude operations. The aircraft is also designed for flexible transport. Anduril says Thunder can be packed into a standard shipping container for movement by air, road, rail or sea. Payload capacity is central to the concept. Thunder's main payload bay can carry 10 air-to-ground missiles, including Hellfire, JAGM Joint Air-to-Ground Missile or Barracuda, 100M. The aircraft can also carry 16 launched effects, including Alshus, 600. Another configuration allows 76 70mm rockets. The nose payload module can carry 12 counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft system effectors. Anduril says the modular bays can also support electronic warfare payloads, cargo and future mission systems. The company is positioning Thunder as a missile carrier, launched effects mothership, maritime patrol aircraft or contested logistics platform. The purpose is affordable mass in heavily defended areas without adding pilots to the formation. Anduril says teaming 3 Thunder aircraft with each Apache would triple available munitions for a combat aviation brigade. The company says that could be achieved at a fraction of the cost of a comparable all-crewed formation. Thunder's autonomy is built around Anduril's Lattice for Mission autonomy software. The system manages formation behavior, separation, routing, timing, tasking and deconfliction. The aircraft is intended to act on operator intent rather than require stick and rudder control. That allows crews to focus on mission decisions while Thunder handles machine speed flight and coordination tasks. Thunder uses onboard machine perception, vehicle autonomy and collaborative mission software. It is designed to maneuver with crewed aircraft, share data in real time and coordinate effects in congested low-altitude airspace. Its sensor suite combines passive and selective active sensors with computer vision, map data, and edge computing. Anduril says the system can detect, classify, and track terrain, obstacles, and threats. Those inputs support visual navigation, inertial positioning, and terrain feature mapping. The goal is to keep Thunder flying when GPS global positioning system, visibility, or communications are degraded or denied. Anduril has completed multiple test flights with full-scale surrogate aircraft. Thunder's first flight is planned for 2027. The company is pitching Thunder as a new attack aviation tool for drone-saturated battlefields. Its case rests on range, payload, autonomy and production scale for operations where crewed helicopters face higher risk. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.